The F19 error code on a dishwasher indicates that the flow meter is defective, which is the most common cause of this issue. To resolve this problem, the best solution is to replace the flow meter. This can be done by first unplugging the dishwasher and then removing the bottom panel by unthreading the mounting screws and adjusting the feet. Next, the dishwasher should be removed from its cabinet space, and the screws holding the right side panel in place should be unthreaded, allowing for the panel's removal. The wire connector should then be removed, and the flow sensor can be pushed and wiggled to detach it. A magnet can be used to check if the paddle moves. Once the old sensor is removed, the new one can be slipped into place and snapped into position. The wire connector should be reattached and clicked into place, and the right side panel should be put back and secured using the mounting screws. Finally, the dishwasher can be pushed back into its cabinet space. The legs can be adjusted, the bottom plate can be reattached, and the mounting screws can be threaded back into place. After plugging in the dishwasher, it should be checked to see if the error code persists.